Hello guys, Truck Attack here. So I came out here to shoot a little bit, and before I get started, yesterday I put out a video, my first time shooting razor blades, and there was I believe it was my first shot that I couldn't find the blade. I looked all over, and today I came out here to shoot a tic tac for you guys, and I ran into this. So let me show you. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, here we go. So there it is. Let me shorten it. So there is the blade that I was looking for. Amazing. I'm gonna leave it there, and no wonder I couldn't find it. I looked all over for it, and I was looking for a place to put the tic tac so I can shoot it, and I ran into this. As you can tell, guys, right there, and I can prove it to you, right there where I hit it, right in the blade. Pretty awesome. Nice. Pretty cool. So there's the blade. I guess it just went out so fast, it's just embedded itself into the wood, and that's where it should stay. Never had anything like that happen to me before. So I'm excited about showing you guys this. And there's the hit right there. So there you have it. So I'm gonna try to shoot some tic tacs for you guys, and stick around for the show. Bye bye. All right, guys, let's hit another tic tac for you. There you have it. Scout X from Simple Shot. Great slingshot. Love it. Designed by Nate Masters. Great guy, great shooter. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more shots. Scout X from Simple Shot, designed by Nate Masters. Great slingshot. This is the Pro Series. Beautiful slingshot. Love it. Everything is aluminum. And get you one if you can. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys.